Hey, it's Josh here. I want to tell you how to export and print the various reports in the EHAB platform. So each tab has a button in the top right-hand corner called Print View. When you click the Print View button, it will export a printable version of that screen. Now, this screen is actually still interactable. So if you want to select, right now it's by default selecting all categories for the forecast tab, but I could select concrete sundries, for example, or roofing, and then that would change the data that's highlighted. In the forecast report, it also just prints out every single day for the next 14 days. So just this means that when you print it, you can basically get a quick view of the next few weeks in terms of all the hourly data. To print it, of course, you just need to click the print button in the top right-hand corner there. So if I go to the plan tab, it's the same thing. If I click the print view, it will give me a printable view of that plan dashboard. Right now, there's not much information here, but you would be able to see the pie chart if there was any weather impact, and of course it highlights to you all of the weeks that are being impacted by weather. In this case, all of them. On the TRA and QSRA dashboard, of course, the print view will just be for that TRA screen. So what you'll get is the report with the number of days in the different columns. The mitigations tab will allow you to print a view, and you'll be able to see all of the different activities and their weather days associated with them. Now, if you have actually made some mitigations, what we'll also show you is all of the mitigations that you have made for that activity. So for example, excavation, I've actually made 2 mitigations, one for min temp and the other for rain. And we've changed the thresholds here. So you can see all of the mitigations, and at the top, you can see the summary of the savings that you have made as well. Although in this case, 75 days have actually been added. And then on the variance screen, similarly, you can print this view out and it will list all of the activities side by side, showing you the diff in the start dates, or for whatever columns that you've decided to compare. So in this case, you'll want to select the drop downs here for the comparisons before you click the print view, so that you can get that information. Thanks so much for listening.